Did you download Truecaller app to always know who's calling, block spammers, identify calls from verified business, and chat with anyone in a safe, quick, and simple manner? Are you facing some confusions on how to set up a Truecaller account? Well, you're in luck because today I'm here to show you how to create Truecaller ID. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is open your app and click on Get Started. So click on Truecaller as your default, say Set as Default right here. Click on Continue. So go ahead and enter your phone number. And then click on Continue. So it's saying, is this your correct phone number? Click on Confirm. If not, cancel and then enter your correct phone number. So at the very bottom, you'll see Agree and Continue. Press on Agree and Continue. So I'm going to receive a call to make sure that it's my phone number and you don't need to pick it up. They have successfully confirmed, and now the next thing you want to do is create your profile for your Truecaller ID. So you can do this through your Google account, your Facebook account, or just type your name manually. So go ahead and type your name. And then after you've done that, click on Continue at the very bottom. So it's saying, do you want to set up a live caller ID? Now you can do this now, or you can go to settings. So I'll say maybe later. And so you can just move the Truecaller icons wherever you want. So just tap next if you want to know more about it. So if you want to set Truecaller as your default SMS app, you can click on it, but I'm just going to click on cancel. So you can see if your contacts are also free to talk before you call them. And if you want to back up now, you can go ahead and do that. I'm going to click on later. And that's it. Your Truecaller app has successfully been installed and you have learned how to create Truecaller ID successfully. So that's it for today's video. If your problem was solved and you are satisfied, do leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, stay safe.